Karan Gurpreet, you have seen death from very close quarters.
Yeah.
So, how do you take it? How do you, face it? And like you told me that you are still haunted by certain memories. So, how do you overcome that?
See, everybody is afraid of death. There is no denying it. And when you see your comrades, your close people dying, it does leave an impact on you. Your life changes. It doesn't remain the same because there is always that void, that small little part of your heart which remembers that that person was there and he is no more. Like for example, when we captured point 4875 and we were consolidating on the feature, there was a threat of enemy counterattack and we were very low on ammunition. So what we did was we asked the Alpha company, the other company which was supposed to attack but could not because of their own problems. So we asked them to shed their...
Sorry. They were supposed to attack point 4875 only?
4875 was divided into two parts.
Okay.
One part was flat top, the other was 4875 top. So Alpha company was supposed to come from the right and capture 4875 top. We were supposed to go straight south, from south spur, that we call spur of a mountain, and capture flat top. And then we were both supposed to marry up. But it did not happen. Alpha company could not reach. We also could not reach. And then during the battle of point 4875, we Charlie company, that is, was able to capture not only flat top, 4875 top also.
Very good.
So yeah, so like I was mentioning that we were running low on ammunition and there was always a threat. So this feature, the entire feature of 4875 and flat top, we captured on the evening of 5th of July 1999. And from 5th July night till 7th July early morning, we were holding this feature.
Okay.
We were, after capturing it, we were holding it and we were warding off any kind of counter attack coming from the enemy.
So they were counter attacking you for 2 days?
They were trying. They did not counter attack, but they were threatening.
Okay.
There was a lot of firefight between both the parties. Our party, their party. We were firing on them with automatic weapons. They were firing on us. So we were running low on ammunition. So I had detailed a few guys to go to where the Alpha company was and take their ammunition, spare ammunition that they were carrying, and bring it to us. So on I think 6th evening, when I was just going around my company area in the complex where we were defending that, I saw one guy sitting with 2 boxes of ammunition. He was just sitting like this and contemplating something.
He was from your company?
He was from my company.
What was his
Alright.
name?
Deepak.
Okay.
Okay. So he was sitting there with 2 belt boxes, ammunition boxes, that is. And I was going around with my senior JSO and I asked JSO, साहब इसको बोलो ये क्यों ऐसे बैठा हुआ है, ये ऐसे दुश्मन का गोली लगेगा आकर के उसको ऐसे करके बैठ गया, थक गया क्या वो इतना? तो द जेसो सेट के साहब वो अभी डेड है. तो आई सेड ये कैसे? इसे साहब वो पता नहीं, शायद दुश्मन की कोई गोली लगी है और वो ऐसे ही वो एम्यूनिशन के बॉक्स कैरी करता हुआ ऐसे बैठा है, गोली लगी है, एंड ही डाइड देयर. So these are kind of examples that really turn your soul over. That you know this guy, उसको क्या था, उसने वो सिर्फ बॉक्स लेकर के जा रहा था एम्यूनेशन के,